lot easier to work with 1 gallon instead of 16 cups. You can have a gallon of milk, paint, or water. People can buy gas by the gallon too. We use the abbreviation.
How come the water is the same? How come the water is the same to the milk carton?
Well, because they're very similar. They're the same size and they keep them in the same container. What's the difference between the milk and the water though?
They have different flavors.
Different labels.
They come from different places.
Come from different places and they taste a little different. Yeah.
We use the abbreviation GAL to stand for gallon. Maybe we didn't measure right. Since there are many ways to measure capacity, it's important to look at the units carefully. I wouldn't eat that if I were you.
Alright. So, what did we figure out capacity was?
How much something can hold?
How much something can hold? Does anybody know another word for capacity? Ooh, this is tricky.
Amount.
Okay, amount. Starts with a V.
Or value.
Okay, value. Good guesses. I don't think we've ever talked about this, but another word for capacity is volume. Oh,
Volume.
Oh,
That's
volume.
what-
All right. So today we're going to look at how much capacity or volume different containers have. Okay, so these are actually 1.5 cups, okay, for water. So if you fill it all the way to the top, it'd be 1.5 cups. But we're going to measure in cups, okay? So, well, first, we're going to, if you're a 1, go get the clipboards. Go get your clipboard, and then come see me. Oh, you also need a pencil, sorry. Clipboard and a pencil. Twos, go get your clipboard and a pencil. Threes, go get your clipboard and a pencil. And fours, and then quickly and quietly return to your seat and get ready.
Where did you go for?
I did. I've called all numbers, so everyone should have their clipboard.
Sorry, I stole your.
It's okay.
Thank you. Sorry.
You okay? I think you might have to. No? Okay, good. Alright, does everybody have a paper? Pencil? Raymond, can you get your clipboard for me? Okay.
What is that? GPS?
Okay. So real quick, this thing is just for me to wear, and the camera's going to follow me. Okay? So, alright.
Maybe. I don't
No.
know.
Oh.
Maybe. Keep
We'll
going.
try. Okay.
I got this one going anyway.
Okay. Alright, so this here is your recording sheet for, we're going to make our estimation. So first, you're going to write under the container column, vase, which is V-A-S-E. Yep, under container, V-A-S-E. And then it says estimation in cups cubed. So you're going to write how many cups you think this container will hold. Okay, keep it to yourself and write it down. How many cups do you think this will hold? Raymond, can you get your clipboard? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, once you've made your estimation, I want you to give me a thumbs up so I know you're ready. So, everyone have their estimations?
Yes.
That's exactly what you're supposed to put. O-V-A-S-E. Uh-huh. Okay. So I'm going to measure it out. Now, when I do this, I mean, that's good, right? So that's 1.
No.
Oh, it's not?
No. You gotta fill all the way to the top.
No, that's what 1.5.
Okay, so all the way to the top's 1.5. Where should I fill to?
The middle.
Okay, well, I know you guys can't see this. The middle says 3/4 cup. What line do you think I should fill to? What am I trying to measure?
1
what?
1 cup.
1 cup. Okay, so if I'm a little, so then all the way to the top, right? That's 1 cup? It is?
Yeah, I can't see.
No, that's 1.5.
All the way? Oh, it's 1.5. Oh, okay, sorry, I forgot already. I have such a bad memory. Okay. So, is it important to have your measurement correct? Like,
Yes.
precise? I think so. Okay, so here's 1 cup. Let's see. Let's see if this fills it up. You think 1 cup's going to fill it?
No.
We'll find out. Okay. So there's 1 cup. Don't change your estimation. It's all right if it's not right. Okay, so here's another cup. Let's see. You think this is going to fill it up?
No. Maybe.
Oh my goodness.
Oh
my goodness. So I'm going to see how many more cups do you think? Do you think I'm going to be able to do a whole cup? Okay, let's try half. Yeah. I'm actually going to start with just 1/4 of a cup because it's easier to add more than to take it out. So far we've got 2 and 1/4 cup. Oh man, so who was close? Did we get close?
I did 2.5. Me too. Or 3 cups.
Oh, that's close.
I like 2. I got it.
Now if this vase, we're looking at it, if instead of going in, it had gone straight all the way up, would it have held more or less? If it went all the way up.
More.
A little more.
You think a little more? I think you're right, because then we'd have more space on the inside to fill with water. So what we're going to do today is you're going to get in groups, which I have picked for you. And there's 5 groups all around the room. Okay? And everyone has a bucket of water. And then 5 containers. But how many spots do you have left on your recording sheet?
4.
4. So that means you need to pick 4 of the 5 containers. And first you're going to write what the container is, or just a little description maybe, because some of them are kind of the same. So like if you have these 2, you might say small container and large container. Okay? And then you're going to estimate. Now before you estimate, look at it, think about it, look at the 1 cup. But should we change our estimations after we've measured?
No.
No, because it's just a guess, and it's okay if it's not right. So, you're going to do that. And there's going to be 4 or maybe 5 people in a group, which means everyone should get to fill 1 container. Okay? What you're going to do is, what did we say about making sure, is it okay if it's over a cup or under a cup?
It has to be on the 1.
It needs to be on the 1 cup. Why is that important?
Because
Think about back to the video. What happened when he was baking his cake?
It was hard.
It was hard because he messed up the amount of ingredients he was supposed to
Because when he dumped it out, it
broke the table. So that means he probably had too much in there. So when you're measuring, it's really important that we use the correct, precise amount. So I'm going to have a group here, 1 there, there's 1 back there. There's 1 in the back of the room, and there's going to be 1 by the sink. So I'm going to read the group off. As we're working, you need to fill the container, maybe have 1 person hold the container, another person fill it so that we don't spill it. And as you're filling it, hold it over the tub of water so that if some falls out, it's okay, just goes right back in the bucket. Okay? Okay, once you fill the container totally and you've measured it, you just dump all the water back in the container. And then you put it to the side, and then the next person gets to measure. Okay? So, group 1, which will be back by the carpet, is Jonathan, Peyton, Abby, and Julissa. So take your papers, and don't start until we're all there. Okay, the group up here is Brayden, Crystal, Malia, and Carmela. This group is Jasmine, Alex, Jeffrey, Esmeralda, and Iraylee. Then we've got the group back by the sink, Kelsey. Boys and girls, if you're already sitting down, you need to sit down quietly. Kelsey, Fatima, Emmanuel, and Moses. And then back in the back of the room, we have Anna Karen, Jennifer, Raymond, and Ezekiel, and Artemio.